My poem, Secrecy, dedicated to open, free, democratic world. Secrecy is the main villain of open democracy. One secret leads to many half-truths. Soon half-truths lead to denial. Denial starts resembling lies. Protecting lies soon find urgency for more secrecy. Suddenly, country needs guardian of secrecy, concealing past secrets in the history, blinding justice, media, public, citing national security, cleverly converts national interest to private monopoly, enforcing laws and bylaws, dividing lawmakers, lawyers, people in the process, support create political parties as guardian angels, secure tax money for war and covert intelligence, expand their private empire and resource base. As citizens try to find solution through electoral process, fighting and debating for issues those are country's best, frustrated, can't look inside the national security chest, yet keep on funding tax dollars without rest, lest unknown fear of unknown origin destroys national fate, perpetuating shadow government as the vicar of the elected. Posed by Kolki. Is an intelligence shrouded in secrecy, leading to military within military, country within a country, state within a state, city within a city, community within a community with special immunity? Food for thought for all world citizens and leaders. If the United States ever experiences an attempt at a coup to overthrow the government, it will come from the Central Intelligence Agency, CIA. The agency represents a tremendous power and total unaccountability to anyone. JFK, John F. Kennedy, 35th President of USA, assassinated on November 23, 1963, after rejecting a false flag military ambition, Operation Northwoods, like 9/11, and blaming Fidel Castro of Cuba so that USA can attack Cuba. A sophisticated false flag operation like 9/11 has an organizational structure with three basic levels: architectural, operational, and working. Atta and the 19 Arabs, blamed as the hijackers of 9/11, were part of the working level and were simply part of the deception. That is, after all, how false flag terror works. Andreas von Buelo, the former head of the parliamentary commission that oversaw the German intelligence agencies. Thus, UN members, all world leaders and citizens must realize secrecy is the main enemy of democracy. It only helps the monarchical oligarchy. God bless our world towards universal consciousness.